especially when I got the invitation regarding a subject, love your neighbor. What I feel, I'm proud to say, yes, we all love our neighbor, and that is the subject, that is the beauty of the subject. I must remember the action plan of the Christian missionaries. They are doing very good work, especially the social work, the educational work. They do the reforms also. They have 54,937 schools. They have 6 crore students. They have about 30 lakhs employees. And they have more than 1,000 health centers. What our missionaries are running. And I must say you are doing very beautiful work. I especially thanks to all the nuns, the sisters, bishops, and all the friends who are working in this field. And always you work for the downtrodden people, poor people, the underprivileged people. It is beauty for your work. I have seen my Christian missionaries in Kolkata. There are so many. Even from North Bengal tea gardens to Kolkata, I have seen their activities. I am overwhelmed to see their activities. Sometimes I feel proud to say why I didn't born as a Christian, because I love to see. Every Christmas Day, I used to attend their prayer. Even Mr. Thamas is here, our Bishop Kolkata, he knows. Every year, before Christmas Day, I go to St. Xavier's also. I am their alumni also. So, I maintain this good relation with them. I know Mother Teresa very well. I remember 2-3 occasions. And Sudip Bandyopadhyay is also sitting here. The missionaries of charity, it is his constituency. And I remember 1-2 incident. Once she phoned me at about 11 o'clock in the night. And she asked me, Mamta, can you help me? I said, Mother, what happened? She said, somebody wants to capture my ashram, our house. So please help me. So I rushed there and I helped Mother to restore their house. Number 2, I remember very seriously, Dr. Kakuli Ghosdasar is here present. She is our MP. Once after Babri Masjid demolition, there is a big riot in Kolkata. Then I went to look around and everywhere, move around. So one day I have seen, except Mother, I have not seen the other politicians or the other people, but I have seen Mother Teresa. She was reached Shialda Loreto campus, helping for the poor people. Then I met Mother. I said, Mother, you are on the road? Mother said, you are on the road. So that was the relation with us, what I cannot forget. And that's why when I have got the invitation from Vatican, I went there. When Mother Teresa announces as saint, we went along with Bishop and all the leaders. We went there. That is a part of the history. Jesus Christ always used to say, love your neighbor. And that's why this panel discussion also today, it is love your neighbor. Sometimes I may not be agree with my daily bishops, the comments, though I have a great regards for his comments. Yes, they have to love everybody. We love everybody. We want to love everybody. But love your neighbor. What is the meaning of love your neighbor? The meaning is very clear. You have to love all. First of all, you should not divide and rule. You have to love whom and you have not to love whom.